Coming to you from the Carol Blanton Ferris Law Firm Studios, it's the A1 Minute, brought to you by Smith Strong PLC.
Hey, it's Lance with your A1 Minute. We are halfway there. Runners are marking their last days to one of Richmond's biggest events, the Allianz Richmond Marathon Saturday. Race day fun and competition is also featured with the CarMax Richmond Half Marathon and the VCU Health Richmond 8K. Even though the races are sold out, you can still cheer on with the first start at 7 a.m. City Council voted to transfer $2 million from that delinquent tax sales fund to the Affordable Housing Trust Fund. Under a 2019 ordinance passed by City Council, officials were supposed to transfer $1 million of those proceeds per year to the Affordable Housing Trust Fund, but that didn't happen. Meanwhile, the delinquent tax sales fund swelled to over $9 million. And the Virginia State University Board of Visitors has extended the contract of President Makola Abdullah through 2032. Abdullah, 56, who earns an annual salary of roughly $521,000, previously worked under a contract set to end in 2029. Last fall, VSU had more than 5,500 students, its highest enrollment since Abdullah joined the historically black land-grant university in Ettrick in 2016. Y'all make sure to keep up with us on Instagram at Virginia Video Network. This episode was brought to you by Smith Strong PLC. We'll be back soon with another A1 Minute.